Being in your early 20s when you have just started working, living all on your own, away from home, can be exciting and intimidating at the same time. Yes, some days you will feel on top of the world as if you have it all together. You will rise at your time desired, run a mile, meditate like a monk so inspired. At office, work will flow just right, and after a long day, you will still find time and energy for creative delights. But there also will be days when you will feel lost and purposeless, unmotivated to even get up from bed. And for those days, I want to remind you that it's okay. It's all part of the game, the ups and downs, the joy and pain. Keep your head down, cut distractions, and grind. You don't want to regret looking behind. Be kind to yourself, take time to explore. Make mistakes, fall, but then rise from the floor. In the process, you will learn what makes you happy and true. You will discover the passions that you want to pursue. Look, life is like a dance with ups and downs, twists and turns. Embrace the good moments and let go of the bad ones. If life still feels like a daunting journey to pursue, look around. We all are navigating through.